I don't know how you make your peanut butter soup at home, but let me share with you how I make mine. In a bowl, I add in onion, then I add pepper, ginger, garlic, fresh tomatoes, and then I add water for easy blending. So guys, I'll be blending this off camera. I'll be back. And we are back. In a pan, I pour in water. Then I go ahead, add my peanut butter. I rinse my bowl, add the water to it. Then I add tomato paste. I add salted fish, aka momone. And then I stir all together. Remember, my fire is on. We are going to stir this continuously till we see oil floating on top. At this point, I guess you too can see the oil. Yes. So now it's time to add our blended ingredients. This is ginger, garlic, fresh tomatoes, pepper, and then onion. I rinse my bowl, add the water to it. With Mariam edibles, nothing goes waste. Okay, so that's why I rinse my bowl, add the water because I don't want to waste anything. At this point, we can add more water. So I add water to adjust my soup. And then go ahead, add salt, add it to your taste, okay? Then I add my fried beef. You can use any protein of your choice. But if you're using fresh ones, please steam it first, okay? Here I add salmon. That is my preferred fish. I go ahead, cover this. Please, you have to be watchful. As soon as it starts to boil, please open it small like this. Yes, exactly. And I'm cooking on low to medium heat. You don't need too much heat for this soup, okay? Just low heat or medium will be just fine. So I give it a stir and then allow it to continue cooking. And just like that, our soup is ready. As simple as that. Still on low heat. You don't need too much fire, too much heat for this. Just on low flame and it will cook beautifully for you. So at this point, our soup is ready. So the question is, what will you pair your peanut butter soup with? I love mine with plain rice. So I'm going to pair my own with plain rice. I know some people like theirs with banku, others like theirs with rice ball, but I'm going to serve mine with plain rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, please stay blessed. Bye bye.